It's Dr. Blake, Cisco Kind of Spine. We're going to show how we adjust our pregnant patients. We have this awesome volunteer here. All right, let's go face down here for me. There you go. So we have a table here specially designed for pregnancy so they can lay face down and makes room for the baby. So the first thing we like to do is we want to relax out the erector muscles that get tight from the pregnancy here. So we use a hypervolt here. Just nice and easy. Right through the erectors there. Do the glute too. Glutes get tight. Next, we want to adjust the pelvis. We look the leg length here to evaluate what the pelvis is doing. A lot of times the pelvis will rock backwards like this, and this leg pulls short. Just gently set the drop here. Just a nice, easy drop. There we go. Right back. Nice little breath in. Breathe out. Neck here. Nice little stretch. This way. Nice little stretch. All right, so you roll over here. We'll reset the table here for you. What's your step there? Let's go face up. We want to traction out both hips for him here. So make sure you hold on so I don't pull you off the table here. Nice leg, nice little stretch. Good. These hips and the low back, they all get tight from carrying the pregnancy because the weight shifts forward here, so just want traction open. One more. Good. Let's just adjust the cervical spine here. Nice. Nice little stretch right there. All right, take a stand up. Maybe face this direction. This can help to really stretch out the neck and the shoulders there. Hands behind the head. Head down a little bit. Good, hands top line. Arms together a little bit. Good. Relax the neck, do a little stretch here. There we go. All right, you're all set.
Thank you.